Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com. I made a video yesterday about pound index and pound pairs, pound trades, which I took, and I showed you this chart. This was the chart, the pound index chart I made on the 4th Friday. Basically it's like 7th, you can say, on Monday. It was valid from Monday, and this was the key level here. Below 53.29 will go down, above 52.60 will go up. Okay, so what happened to this chart? We were exactly at 50 to 60 at that time on Friday. We ended up and we end up the Friday like that. So far this chart, let me show you where we stand. Is we bounce because of the news. The good news are going all around on the internet right now. You can see about pound. They're meeting, they have a positive outcome, and they have a positive expectation for Brexit on October 31st. Even today they are having a meeting in Brazil, and I think they were hopeful that the result will come positive. So with all that news going on, pound started getting strong, and look now where it is, from 60 to 60. Now it touched 59. It's amazing, 700 pip in 1 day, 2 days, you can say, yesterday and today. So, but it's still big move, big powerful move. My target on this chart, you can see that it was this is the last chart. This is the chart I made. So see this 61.27, and then the TL coming, and I said we can go up and down kind of fashion, and then eventually hit that. But I never thought that it's gonna be possible in a couple of days only. So we are very close now. We touched 59.10, which is right there, and then we slipped below, and now rising again. And the next target would be, see, right now we are 59.06 again, very close to take out the last high. And after that we have 59.84, and then the only number left is 61.27. and if we go with this pace, we may not stop here. Actually, you can see that we are probably gonna head towards this area where the TL and the high is coming and joining is 63.16. They are cutting off here. So there is a big possibility that we continue to the upside if the result of today's meeting between EU and UK come out positive. If they become positive, we can easily go big time. We're gonna go higher, much higher. Pound will get strength. So this is how the pound index. Well, let me show you the reason I am making this video is this is the chart that I showed also yesterday, saying that this is the chart I made 7th October, right? And saying that if we go there, it's gonna be going around Girdler 53.19, and these are the couple of numbers. That 51.40 we are bouncing, and we're going for 53.19. This is the weekly chart, simple plain snapshot, right? So where we are on this chart right now is we went yesterday, we were here at 50 to 52, and just now I recorded the chart. We are here. We are constantly straight going to the upside, very close to get there 53. And with the speed of the way pound is going to the upside. By the way, yen index going up means yen is losing, right? So pound yen probably flying big time, but I didn't get a chance to take any trade in that pair at all yesterday and today, right? But I had my pips, no big deal, no regret whatsoever. I had pound CAD, pound USD, and pound NZD giving me 170 pips. So and then I closed all of them already. I have a couple of other running small ones. So let's see. I'm sitting on break even, so no hard feeling. But yen trade, I opened some of those yen trades when we were bouncing from here, right? So let me show you what happened and what are those trades. Here, let me show you from the beginning. Where's euro? Okay, so one of these euro yen. Okay, it's a 20-minute chart on the 10th. It bounced from there, and then it came back, beautiful long setup here, and then all they were gone. and I closed this one right there, so I don't have it running, so it's gone. But the others, for example, this one on the 10th, I opened the trade here, right? But I let it go until today, this morning. I just closed a little while ago with this scenario. So it went up, stayed here, wobble a little bit, then bounce again, 80 pips. And similarly, the same day on the 10th, I opened this one as well. Yesterday, same setup, same scenario, and let it run until this morning, close at 120 pip like this. This was an entry, went up, wobble a little bit, retrace a little bit, and then went up again. And another one is Aussie yen on the 10th. Again, you can see date here, my entry is here, SL break even, all of those. So it was the same scenario, just like CAD yen and New Zealand, right? Just above this level, and I held this one as well till here. This morning I closed with this 100 pip, right? This is where the entry, and went all the way from all three these three trades, New Zealand, CAD yen, and Aussie yen, from 7 minutes. Only Euro yen was from 20 minutes, which all four of them are closed now. But I have some other running, and I'm not gonna take any more trades or entries because I'm tired badly. And all these trades and everything, you have to watch them and manage, so it drain you, man. So no more trades for me, and a few running right now, but they are at break even, so I'm gonna shut down everything. Today's Friday, it's 9:45, but I'm very, very tired, and I'm going to get some rest now. I'm not gonna even answer any email or anything. I'm really tired. I need a little bit of rest. So bye for now, and maybe when I get up in after a couple hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, then I'll make the video about the weekly recap. All the trades that I did, I'll show, and the reason I'll show what the reason was. Okay, so this is it for now, and thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.